Hello, Mike.
Actually, my name is Sam.
Yeah. Please give me a favor. Sit down, please. Oh, sorry.
Already sitting, actually.
Yeah, Mike, you don't understand. What I got for you is life changer. It's very important, so please sit down.
My name is Sam, and I'm already sitting.
Are you ready for this, man?
I'm pretty sure I'm ready.
Okay, man. What I got for you is a Turbo Diesel Mangusta boat, man, and the price is $10,500, man. I know. What? What? It's unbelievable, man. I know, I understand. And you got in this boat autopilot, GPS, Wi-Fi, gangway, freezer, gangbang, window, ice maker, washing machine, USB port, USB cable, MP3 player, MP3 adapter, ice machine, and jacuzzi, and whatever you want for the price. For the price, man. $20,500. Man, I know. What do you say?
Oh, I'm pretty sure what you told $10,000.
Mike.
My name is Sam.
Mike, listen. Mike, I know you're nervous and stuff, yeah? You don't want this boat.
I don't need this boat.
Yeah, why not? I don't want it. I don't want it for nothing. Like, yeah, man. I know everybody will jealous. Your mom will jealous. I will jealous. Your future girlfriend will jealous because you have a boat with jacuzzi.
Look, I don't really need a boat, and
It's life-changing opportunity, man. You want this boat. Shit.
Look, I'm really busy right now, and maybe you...
Man, you don't listen, okay? Fuck off!
Honey, how long this fucking boat gonna stand on our kitchen?
Honey, I'm trying to sell this fucking boat! Yeah. Man, but really.